In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an expense in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the full process from opening QuickBooks to saving the transaction so you can record business spending accurately and keep your books organized. Start by going to QuickBooks Online and opening your company dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Create button. This is where you begin entering new transactions into the system. Click Create, and from the list of options, choose Expense. This opens the expense entry form, where you'll fill in the details of the purchase or payment you made. First, enter the payee. This is the person or business you paid. Be as accurate as possible here because using the correct payee helps keep your records clean and makes it easier to review vendor activity later. Next, select the payment account. This should be the bank account or credit card you used to make the purchase. Choosing the right account is important because it ensures the expense matches the correct source of payment in your books. After that, enter the transaction date and the payment method. The date should reflect when the purchase actually happened, and the payment method should match how it was paid, such as cash, check, or credit card. This helps QuickBooks maintain a more complete and accurate transaction history. Now move to the category details section. Here, choose the appropriate expense account from your chart of accounts. This step determines how the expense will be classified in your financial reports, so take a moment to select the category that best fits the purchase. Proper categorization makes your reporting much more useful at tax time and when reviewing business performance. Then enter the amount and add a brief description. The amount should match the total cost of the expense, and the description should be short but specific enough to help you remember what the transaction was for. Clear descriptions can save a lot of time when you look back at your records later. If you have a receipt, you can also add it as an attachment. This step is optional, but it's a good habit to upload an image of the receipt by dragging and dropping it or selecting the file manually. Keeping the receipt attached makes documentation easier and gives you a backup if you ever need to verify the purchase. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. That records the expense and exits the form. And that's how to create an expense in QuickBooks Online. If you want cleaner books and easier expense tracking, entering each transaction carefully like this can make a big difference.